Hi, my name is Lito. The topic of our video: how to prepare lips for perm makeup procedure. I will tell you about what your client should do before appointment, and I will show for you what I am doing before perm makeup procedure. So please like this video and watch this till the end. I recommend to my client to start moisturize the lips 1-2 weeks before the procedure, because if the lips is very dry, we cannot implant the pigment properly into the skin. When my client came to my studio, I'm checking their lips. If I can see that the lips is dry and have some small scabs, I'm using peeling gel. Let me show for you how I'm using this peeling gel before perm makeup procedure. If you would like to learn more perm makeup tips, please sign up on my online courses. I will be very happy to see you. You can text me on Instagram or Facebook. You can find the links on my Instagram and Facebook pages in the description below to this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will very appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.